Hello, service champs. In this video, we're sketching the secrets to building a stellar customer service. Get ready for a masterpiece. Step 1. Know your customer. Meet your customers like old friends. Understand their needs, preferences, and quirks. It's like customizing a playlist, make it personal. Step 2. Communicate clearly. Communication is key. Clear, concise, and friendly. Imagine explaining complex ideas with emojis, simple and universally understood. Step 3. Be empathetic. Put yourself in their shoes. Empathy builds trust. It's like being a superhero, understanding your customers' needs before they even say it. Step 4. Solve quickly. Race against time. Swiftly resolve issues. Think of it as a fast food drive-thru. Customers want their solutions hot and fresh, ASAP. Step 5. Stay consistent. Consistency breeds loyalty. Maintain the same service quality across the board. It's like a favorite TV show, viewers return for the reliable plot. Step 6. Learn from feedback. Feedback is your compass. Learn and improve. It's like upgrading your app based on user reviews, constant evolution for a better experience. Step 7. Surprise and delight. Sprinkle some magic. Surprise your customers with unexpected delights. Picture it as unwrapping a gift, joy and loyalty in every surprise. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your customer service wins in the comments below. Until next time.